In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a pop-up on Squarespace. A well-timed pop-up can help you highlight a sale, announce a new product, or grow your email list without redesigning your entire site. We'll keep this simple and focused, so you can get a polished promotional pop-up live in just a few clicks. Start by opening your Squarespace site editor. At the very top left, look for the search icon. It's a quick way to jump straight to the tools you need without digging through menus. Click that search icon, then type Popup. From the results, choose Promotional Popup. This is Squarespace's built-in feature for creating an on-brand pop-up that integrates with your site's design and settings. Inside the Promotional Popup panel, you'll see an option to enable the pop-up. Turn it on. Enabling it makes the pop-up active on your site, but don't worry. You'll still have complete control over how it looks and behaves before your visitors see it. Next, click Change Layout. You'll be presented with a selection of templates designed specifically for pop-ups. These layouts vary in structure, from image-focused designs to clean, text-first options. Pick the one that best supports your goal. If you're promoting a discount, a bold headline layout might work well. If you're highlighting a product, a layout with an image area could be the better fit. Remember, the layout is just a starting point. You'll be able to fine-tune everything after you select it. Once you've chosen a template, continue to edit it. This is where you make the pop-up feel like a natural extension of your brand. Update the headline to be clear and compelling. Refine the body text so it's short and benefit-driven, and adjust the button label to make the action obvious, like Shop Now or Subscribe. If your chosen layout includes an image, swap it for something that complements your message. Colors and fonts typically inherit from your site's styles, helping the pop-up feel consistent, but you can adjust details within the pop-up editor to improve contrast and readability. As you edit, keep your message focused and avoid overcrowding. A simple headline, a brief line of copy, and one clear call to action usually perform best. If the editor provides options for timing and behavior, choose settings that won't overwhelm your visitors, and take a quick look at how it appears on both desktop and mobile views to ensure everything is legible and well-spaced. That's it. You've enabled your promotional pop-up, selected a layout, and customized it to match your brand. When you're happy with the look and copy, your pop-up is ready to engage your audience the right way.